Leather furniture is tough and hard-wearing, but daily use takes its toll. Guardsman Clean and Renew has been developed with leather care experts in Italy to provide the very best cleaning solution for your leather furniture. It is a gentle but effective solution that cleans without streaks and preserves your leather's soft, supple feel. Simply pour the cleaner onto the sponge provided and squeeze until product begins to foam before wiping away built-up dirt. We recommend cleaning your furniture regularly to keep your furniture looking its best. For best results, use with Guardsman Protect and Preserve to protect against premature aging and irreversible staining.